These are the punting boats.
I lost a lot of stuff in Japan. Are you into chocolate? You're not gonna get any face tattoos or for all my Harry Potter head?
Great shots on the river.
Cult entertainment.
Always giving my honest opinion.
Please drag it out. Rolly gang, petty gang, rich baby daddy gang.
Subscribe, like, comment, like and subscribe, like, comment.
This is
Which is the one you use? Yes.
thank you.
Taste test. We got the chickpea one.
The Skinner Brothers. Okay.
It is a tourist studio. A lot of angels.
Okay. Blood and
Never
Angels. Never been.
No.
Never been. You're not gonna get any face tattoos or any.
Planning on it.
Okay, all right. You gonna get one across like your forehead?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, here's the Forbidden Planet. Okay. Pokemon. Yeah. Marvel. All those type of things. Okay. UK. It's very like peaceful. Like a very like peaceful stroll. Like folks are just.
But everything starts at 9 here. The school starts at 9.
The school starts at 9.
The school starts at 9.
Damn, that's like a job.
It's super nice.
Yeah,
I
it
could
is.
get used to that.
Yeah.
We should do the same in Austria as well.
What time do they start school in Austria?
At 8.
Ooh, okay.
In America as well.
Sometimes 7:40.
Really?
Yep.
That's brutal.
It is. My niece goes to school at 7:40. She was just telling me like, yeah, Uncle, I wake up at 7:40 and get ready to go to school.
Wow. She would be awake at 6.
Yeah, she would be
probably.
awake at 6. Yep. And
With full of energy.
so much energy. And not to mention, she just made the cheer team.
She did?
Yeah. So
Wow.
it's the same one that wants to go to France. So again, that's another one that more things you got in common. So
I'm waiting for you.
Yep.
What's your name?
Sanai.
Sanai. I'm waiting for you, Sanai.
Yeah.
Can't wait to meet you. So look at this. This is the. I have to take it out.
Yes, we got to stop and take it out.
The only way you can learn is hands-on, you know, and sometimes.
And what is this? This is a.
I'm not sure. I think it's just chocolate inside. But it looks like soft and, of course, fresh.
Yes. Oops, that's not what. There you go. It is soft.
It is soft. This was your softiness test? Just putting a finger
Just
on
put my
it?
finger on it. Bam.
Okay, so it's
Pass the
soft.
softy test.
Okay. Good.
Well,
It is the flash of chocolate, so you really have to be into chocolate.
are you into chocolate?
I see you, baby.
It's really good.
Oh,
That's
okay.
what I'm gonna say.
Okay.
It would be a 7 out of 10.
Good. Okay. Okay. I remember this. So at night when we came here yesterday, it was like a little less lively, but now like you can see just a lot of the fullness and folks just like going about their day. I'm eating the chickpea and
Pepper, black pepper,
red pepper.
red pepper.
Red pepper sausage.
Did you do the soft test?
Yeah. It's just a little dry. It just needs like something wet.
Or to dip in? A
Yes.
dip.
If I had something to dip it in, it would probably taste a lot better. Like maybe like a vegan cheese batter. I'm sorry, Cambridge. I'm so sorry.
The pigeon's gonna love it.
With this tea, it's good. So yeah, I would say like about a 4.
Before you said a 5.
I'm gonna say a 4 now.
It's getting worse, okay?
Yeah, it's getting worse.
Continue talking, yeah. That's what people want to see.
Everybody else know.
Maybe the tea can...
Oh, I love the tea. The
You
tea
like-
is
it's
a
hot.
12. It's hot. As soon as you drink it, it gets you warm.
Do the motion again. The tea is hot.
If you thought cycling culture was like in America was crazy, oh no. Oh no. It's a whole different ball game out here. Absolutely.
I would still go the same way.
Same way? All right, let us go. Talking with Lisa, we were talking about like maybe, because I do want to visit Austria, Vienna. She was telling me a lot about it. I mean, I was just, yeah, like I was telling y'all yesterday, just scared about the food. You know, it's just a lot of sausages, a lot of meat. Pause. But yeah, it's something that I would do. And then also too, like I would take y'all with me. So you all know I'm from the city, from Detroit, Michigan, east side. And camping is just not in my wheelhouse. It's never been in my wheelhouse, but Lisa is an expert camper.
I wouldn't say expert camper, I'm the comfortable camper.
A comfortable camper?
Everyone who knows the tent on the car, sleeping in the tent on the car, this would be my style of camping, or this is the style of camping.
Oh. And I ain't never did anything like that before. So, going to Vienna, I would camp with Lisa.
Yeah.
And
I can give you a crash course.
Okay, I'll take the crash course. Afterwards, my man's Mace, shout out Mace, I'll see you in a little bit, bro. He was telling me about Croatia too. So I was saying like, yeah, like in the summertime, like maybe like Lisa could take me on like a Vienna, Croatia,
Austrian lake tour, like
a 3-day Austrian lake tour?
Yeah, and then straight to Croatia.
Okay, cool. That'd be cool.
And you can show me your floating.
Yes, I can show you my floating, which also learned how to swim last year, y'all. Yeah. So okay, cool. Definitely, yeah. Yes, absolutely. And then Germany. Germany is on the list because of my Uncle Ali. Uncle Ali, and his telling us about Germany, which really that was the thing that kind of sparked the whole interest into traveling.
Uncle Ali?
Yep, so one day he was telling us about Germany again and all the beautiful things there, and we planned the trip to Amsterdam.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
You already vlogged by that time.
Yep, I did, yep.
You were cycling.
I was cycling, yep. Me and Big O, which that's one of my most best memories ever, is just us cycling. And it was, Lisa, it was so green and so peaceful, nature. It was like, and you could just smell the air. I know that sounds kind of weird.
Smell the air,
yeah, but like in America, the air smells like
when you're in the city.
Yeah, well, just in general, we got to do a better job at like engine exhaust and taking care of the planet. Yeah. If I'm being honest. So here is the King's College, y'all. Definitely a little more livelier in the daytime. You can see like the architecture of the building. It's old colonial structures. That was the place last time we was inside the church where they said we couldn't film, but I was gonna hit that record button even if it was for a little bit. I was gonna record like the choir singer, but I know like, you know, Lisa is really fond of like the choir and singing, and so I didn't want to be selfish and record it because I didn't want to like get kicked out, and then, you know.
You gotta respect a man with an answer like this. Exactly.
And just to see like your face light up when like they came out, and then also what was super dope is that Lisa was telling me that it was normally guys that would come and like lead that portion, but the incorporation of women was something that really stood out for. So it was like, yeah, bro, I'm not gonna take that away. I'm gonna just sit here and watch. The Harry Potter, right here?
There is a Harry Potter shop. Shop?
Is this the Harry Potter shop?
Yeah, but I think it's
Patterson, yep. The Department of Magical Gifts for all my Harry Potter heads. You know, I love Harry Potter too.
You do?
Yeah, I love Harry Potter.
Stop the cap.
I like Harry Potter, and that's the only person I know though. I know my sister and my niece are gonna watch this and they're gonna be like, you don't know about Harry Potter, bro? I gotta take you to Chicago. Yeah. It's cool.
Another hot tea.
Another hot tea for cold hands at Cafe Aristo.
I want to have it on camera how you burn your mouth, maybe.
You say you want me to show the camera how my it's so hot. It's so hot.
It's so hot.
Yeah, but it's a good hot because it's like we were like walking out and like that my hands was getting cold. It's like these like it's the perfect way to warm up your hand.
That's true.
Yes.
It is.
To be honest though, I don't think I told folks this at YouTube. Actually, I lost a lot of stuff in Japan. Didn't lose my ID, but I definitely lost my bank card, passport.
Your orientation?
The who? What else? It was something else. I lost my favorite oil, some cologne. Yeah, it was a lot. So this is a message to folks to just, when you travel, slow down. Just take a minute to do stuff like this, like sit in a coffee shop and just be present. That's it. That's it. When you start to like thinking about doing too much or planning each step to go to each different place, you can just lose sight of the fact that like, oh snap, I'm actually doing something. I'm actually in a different place. Or, oh snap, I got my passport. Let me check to make sure I got everything.
Yeah.
Like that's probably a key thing I would tell for travelers. Just slow down sometimes. Just relax. Oh, this is the punting thing that you was telling me about.
So are you punting today too? Get great shots on the river.
We don't even got enough time, but she was telling me that this is like one of the things
It
that
is
to
the
do.
thing to do.
Yeah. So when I come back, I'll see a river tour. Cool,
right,
my man. Thank you. And so this is the thing that you and your dad took, right?
Yeah. These are the punting boats. I don't see the punting stick. But yeah, maybe we can catch a
Punter?
a person punting later when we go back.
I know when people like watch this vlog that's like American, when we think of punting, we think of football.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What does punting mean when it comes to football?
So in football, you take the American football, and when we say punt, it means you kick the ball up like that.
Oh really?
Yeah, so you And the only reason I know that is because I watched this sports show where they talk about like the proper technique to punting the ball, and you got to keep your leg like very straight. Like, so it goes straight up and down. You can't just like that. Like it just goes up like that.
Really flexible.
Yeah, you know. Not as flexible as you though. You're the professional cheer competition Olympian.
That's not true, but thank you.
It is true. Competed in like the world games in Orlando.
That's
the world
true.
cheer competition.
That's true.
See, I told you, Sanaa. Miss Lisa will get you together. I think I'm going to get a bike when I get back home.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna start cycling. I've seen too much of it not to do
But during
it.
the winter, you have to be a hardcore cycler.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that. But in the summer, I will. Yeah, I think I'll just get a bike and just start riding. So if you see me riding a bike in Detroit and hopping on the public transit, it's because yes, I have been
Causing a crash.
and causing a crash. My experiences have just shown me that it's just a different way of doing stuff, and sometimes different isn't bad. Sometimes different is cool. And there's nothing wrong with different. But like the way the cyclists like share the street with the with the cars, it just blows my mind, man. It's like, as an American, it's like, we do have a bike lane, but it's a designated bike lane. It's not like...
Sorry.
Ooh. You had the, yeah.
Huh.
Got the ghost out of you.
The sun is triggering.
Seeing like, look how the bikers share the road with like the cars. Like, it's just so trippy. Like, especially as an American, it's like, okay, you got your bike lane and you got your car lane. It's not, the two don't mix. And here it's just like everything flows with one another. I'm so glad that sun came out and just brings a little extra warmth.
That's true.
Yeah.
I miss the sun.
Yes.
So much.
Yeah, we can tell the way you
sneeze. It's nothing that we have here. Yeah. It's nothing that we have here often, so it's something special.
Yes.
Maybe you brought it with you.
I see you, baby.
What up, though? Big special thanks to Lisa.
Thank you very much.
She's been an amazing support in my journey, not only on YouTube, but just in life. And I'm really, not to pause this Kendrick Lamar real quick. She's been a very like integral part in not only like my journey here, but just in general. She's really opened my thinking to widen it. You know, especially when it comes to traveling, you have things that you do like and you have things you don't like. And sometimes the things you don't like are the things that you probably should experience. And if you try and it sucked, that's a part of traveling, bro. It happens. But if you tried and you like it, you would never know. Like I was telling Lisa before, like I wouldn't be super open to the idea of camping, but she breaks it down in a way that doesn't make me not like it as much from what she's like told me and shared with me. So that's extremely cool, and I'm extremely appreciative of that. So thank you, Lisa. Thank you for showing me Cambridge. Definitely had to make my way here, and this is a really cute, nice town. Like especially if you're from Detroit or if you're from St. Louis or if you're from like a big Midwestern city, you can come here and really enjoy this place. You can kind of come out here for a quiet, slow down pace of living, at least for the weekend till you go back home. But this is really nice. I would definitely come here and visit again. So the water here, especially across the Atlantic, and like places like London, Europe, things of that nature, they don't have the breakaway seal for the water cap. Instead, it pulls back.
Oh my God, why didn't I think of that?
You know the side, you know the vibes. East side, baby.
Bounce back, wake up every morning, by the night I count stacks. Knew that ass was real when.
Ooh, yeah. Comment below if you like the taste of this white stuff. If you like to put white stuff on everything.
Pause, bro. Oh my gosh. Y'all gotta edit that out, man.